Have you ever wondered who the very first human being was? The first person to ever walk on Earth, to see the sky, and to say the first words? Let me tell you the amazing story of Hazrat Adam, the father of all humanity. Long, long ago, before there were any people on Earth, Allah decided to create someone very special. Allah told the angels, I am going to create a human being from clay. The angels were curious. Allah shaped clay with his hands and breathed life into it. And that's how Hazrat Adam came to life. He was the first human ever created, made with so much love and care. Allah placed Hazrat Adam in a beautiful paradise called Jannah. Imagine the most wonderful garden you've ever seen, but a million times better. There were rivers of sweet water, trees full of delicious fruits, and friendly animals everywhere. Hazrat Adam lived happily in this paradise. He had everything he could ever want, and he was never hungry, tired, or sad. But Allah wanted to teach Hazrat Adam something important. Allah said, you can eat from any tree in this garden, but there is one special tree. Please don't eat from that tree. This was a test to see if Hazrat Adam would listen and obey. Sometimes Shaitan, who was jealous, whispered to Hazrat Adam and made him forget Allah's command. Hazrat Adam made a mistake and ate from that tree. When Hazrat Adam realized his mistake, he felt very sad. Allah decided that it was time for Hazrat Adam to leave paradise and go to earth. This wasn't a punishment forever, but a new beginning. Hazrat Adam came down to earth, and this is where the story of all humans began. Earth became our home, a place where we would live, learn, and grow. The most beautiful part of this story is what happened next. Hazrat Adam felt so sorry for his mistake that he asked Allah to forgive him. And guess what? Allah is the most merciful. Allah forgave Hazrat Adam because he was truly sorry. This teaches us that when we make mistakes, we should always say sorry and ask for forgiveness. Allah always listens and forgives those who are sincere. So remember, Hazrat Adam was the first human, created with love by Allah. He made a mistake, but he learned from it and asked for forgiveness. We are all children of Hazrat Adam, and his story teaches us to always be kind, to listen to what's right, and to say sorry when we make mistakes. And just like Allah forgave Hazrat Adam, Allah will forgive us too when we ask with a sincere heart.